Dive deep with Delve into Understanding the Phrase. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the meaning of the phrase, delve into. This phrase is quite common in English, and understanding it will help you not only comprehend what you read and hear but also enrich your own English expressions. So, let's get started. To delve into something means to investigate it thoroughly. It implies a deep and careful search into a subject or issue. Think of it as digging into the ground not just to remove the surface soil but to reach the deeper layers underneath. When you delve into a topic, you're looking to uncover something not immediately obvious, to gain a deeper understanding of it. The word delve comes from an Old English word delphan, which means to dig. Over time, it has kept this sense of digging but has also come to mean a figurative exploration or investigation into something abstract, like a topic or an idea. Now, let's look at how delve into can be used in sentences. The book delves into the history of the English language. She delved into her family's genealogy to discover her ancestors. The detective delved into the evidence to find the truth. You can use delve into when you want to express that someone is taking an in-depth look into a subject. It's especially useful in academic, professional, or intellectual contexts where thorough research or deep understanding is important. Thank you for joining us today. I hope this explanation helps you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, delve into. Remember, learning English is an adventure, and every phrase you master is a step further in your journey. Keep delving into the richness of the English language, and I'll see you in our next video.